Kind regards from the Autónoma University of Manizales. The objective of this video is to review the steps to find the places and dates in which the TOEFL test will be applied and thus be able to register and be certified in this important international exam. First, we're going to our search engine and then we're going to type TOEFL Center and exam dates. There we will find the official site. Once being there, we're going to click and search now. Then we're going to type the name of the city and select it. Then we're going to click Find Test Centers and Dates. In this window, we can see the calendar and the available places and dates. As you can see, green means that we still have available seats for these dates. Let's click on the next one. Okay, and then it will be just a matter of completing the registration. And that will be all. Thank you very much for your attention.